So what is sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging data into a meaningful order so that we can analyze it more effectively. Excel allows us to sort data in many ways. Some common ways are given below. Sorting textual data into alphabetical order, means from A to Z or Z to A. Sorting numeric data in order from the smallest to largest and from largest to smallest. Sorting data date wise from oldest to newest or from newest to oldest date. Sorting data on the basis of multiple columns or rows through the sort dialog box. That is the example of sorting data in alphabetical order. Okay, first, arranging data in alphabetical order is the most common type of sorting done in MS Excel. The steps to sort data in alphabetical order are as follows. Select the cell in a column. Here, name students column. Where you want to apply the sorting? Obviously, in a student names column. So first you select the students names column. Okay, after that you will click on the home tab. In the end, then click on the editing group, then click on the sort and filter button. Look here, sort and filter button, and then choose A to Z or Z to A. Okay, so from the list that appears, select the sort A to Z option. The records will get sorted in ascending order of the students. Ascending order means A to Z, or descending order means Z to A. So that is called sorting. Now understand sorting data in numerical order. We can also sort data in worksheet on the basis of the field containing the numerical data. The data gets sorted in the ascending or descending order. The steps are as follows. Same. If you want to arrange the data, means which one got highest marks in maths or which one got lowest marks in a science. So first, if you want to apply the sorting in science field, then click here, top header of this column B. Okay, then this column will select. After selecting this column, if you arrange the data in a descending order, then you will see the 96 at the top and the 45 at the bottom. If you want to see the data from ascending order, means lowest to highest, then you will see the 40 marks at the top and the 96 at the bottom. Okay, so first select that column. First you select that column, select the cell in a column you want to sort by. Okay, now click on the home tab and then click on the editing group, same option, and choose the sort and filter option. Okay, when you click on the sort and filter option, in this time you will see sort smallest to largest and sort largest to smallest. These two options you will see. What you want to apply, just choose. If you will click on the sort smallest to largest, then data will be sorted in a descending order. Okay, ascending order. And if you choose the largest to smallest, then data will be sorted into the descending order. Okay, so that is use of sorting. Okay, now one more topic I will teach you today, that is the custom sorting. Okay, that is the last topic of today videos. Tomorrow I will teach you next topic, custom sorting. What is the custom sorting? In this option, two types of sorting has given normally, A to Z or Z to A, or largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Okay, but if you want to do sorting according to the class wise, like suppose that there are 100 students, and their section is 7th A, 7th B, 7th C, then 7th A, then 7th B, then 7th C, then 7th D, then 7th A, then 7th D, then 7th C, then 7th D, then 7th A. Okay, so if you want to sort this data, means first 7th A, then 7th B, then 7th C, then 7th D. Okay, so how will you do this one? Means how will you sort the data according to the class? Means first you want to see 7th A students, then you want to see 7th B students, then you want to see 7th C, and then 7th D students. So you cannot do this in MS Excel because that option has not given in a sorting, because that one is that column is defined by you. So in that case you have to define your own sorting, that is called custom sorting. So in that type of case you will do this one, custom sorting. We can also sort data in a worksheet in order we want by creating custom list. The steps to create a custom list and use it to sort data are as follows. Means when you will click here, then you will see this option, sort A to Z, sort Z to A. Okay, so if you want to do the sorting according to yourself, then click here where custom sort option. Look here. So select the cell range containing the data that you want to sort. Now click on the home tab, then editing group, and then click on the sort filter option. Okay, sort filter option. From the drop down menu, select the custom sort option. From here you will click the custom sort option. Okay, identify the column you want to sort by clicking the drop down arrow. The column filled here sort by the class. Now you will define the columns, means you want to do sorting in which column? Class column. Okay, which column? Class column. And what is the value? Then here you will click the custom list option. You will click on the custom list option, then you will click on the OK option. Then you will see this, means here you will add the values according to which value you want to sort a data. So one by one, 7th A, 7th B, 7th C, and 7th D you will add. We'll choose 7th A, then add, then click on the 7th B option, then click on the add, then click on the 7th C option, then click on the add. Now click on the 7th D option and click on the add. Then if you will see all the values here, 7th A, 7th B, 7th C, 7th D, that means your custom list is created. In the custom list dialog box that appears, select the new list under the custom list of selection. Enter the order in the which you want to sort the data in the list entries. Okay, how? Like that. First you will select 7th A, then add, 7th B, then add, 7th C, then add, and 7th D, then add, and list will be add here. Okay, that is called custom list dialog box. After that, click on OK button, then click on the OK button, then data will get sorted accordance with your custom list. Okay, so if you do not understand this topic, then definitely I will teach you through the computer, then you can understand. So later if you do not understand, if you do this at home and it will not sort, then I will upload a video where I will do a practical. Okay, and give you a link to see how to do custom sorting. Okay, how to do custom sorting, then watch that video and do practice at home. Okay, so next topic I will teach you in next video. In the case of doubt, you are free to ask. Okay, have a good day.